MMBT by MetroCAD offers two different Toolscope options. In this video, we'll go over the differences between the two so you can figure out which one is best for you. One of the main differences between them is the size. The MMBT-1D is an XY Toolscope. It only has the X and Y axis, while the MMBT-800 has the XY and Z axis. Also, the XY has a 2x2 stage, while the XYZ has a 6x8 stage. And as you can see on this one, it does have the pre-drilled holes, so if you have fixtures, you can attach them onto this one, while the 2x2 does not. Another main feature about this one, the XYZ, is that it has the larger travel. So you can do the fine-tune travel with your X and Y, or you can actually adjust it and physically adjust the stage for when you have larger vertical travel, especially if you have larger parts. And you can do that with the Y and the X axis of the stage. While the 2x2, you are just limited to the fine-tuning of the Y and Z X axis. Both options do have the top and back lighting, while the XYZ has just the plain top and bottom lighting. Our 2x2 has the quadrant lighting, which is helpful for when you have large or shiny parts or reflective ones. You can actually shut off different parts of the quadrant, and as you can see, we are reducing the glare in the picture, which is very helpful for seeing the parts. Both Toolscopes have our measurement microscope camera. So as you can see, you can do both the stage measurements with a digital readout, or you can do the point and click measurements with the mouse. So you can just do a thing. So you have both options, and both features are the same on that. They also have the same digital readout, so the both measurement functions are the same. Another different feature is the magnification. As you can see, the XYZ, this one can go from 20, 50 to 100x magnification, while the 2x2 stage has just 20x magnification. But both scopes have a 10x digital zoom. So if you need more range of parts, the XYZ is your go-to. And the XYZ is also has options for additional objectives for additional magnification options. Another feature is that the XYZ has the eyepieces, while the XY has just the monocular. So if you prefer a larger field of view or get the depth perception, you're able to look through the eyepieces with the reticle and see it. Another feature of the XYZ is that it has the coarse and fine focus. So especially if you are on a larger magnification, like this 100x, we'll bring it into focus. Just a second. And you can see that with the coarse, there's such big increments, so when I do the fine adjustment, I get a lot better control with my focus. And I can always go back down to normal. So you get a little more custom feature. And as you can see, the 2x2 is a lot more compact and takes up a lot less room compared to the XYZ. They both have the same features with the digital readout, so the function is both the same, where you'll line up your part in the crosshair, adjust your stage, and get the point into focus. I'll turn the crosshair out. So just line up your part and then measure it with the digital readout. But one of the other features too is cost-wise. While the XY is a lot more economical than the XYZ, it all depends on what parts you're using and how you'll be able to use them. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, you can call us at 763-595-7307, email us at sales@metro-cad.com, or visit our website at mmbt.us. are ever in the area, you are always welcome to stop on by and demo these out in person. Come and bring some sample parts to see which one's best for you. Thanks again and have a blessed day.